Oh, we're gonna look at the subscribe. It says, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another mukbang and a special fruit and a special guest. Can you guess who it is? David! So today we are going to be trying persimmon. Persimmon is the fruit. This beautiful baby right here. What kind of fruit does it remind you of? Comment in the comment section what kind of fruit this reminds you of. We won't say anything. David, are you ready?
No.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about the texture. The texture, it's not very hard, it's just hard. A little bit, so it's not what you think. So I need to put some amount of... I have tried this fruit before, but I don't think David has tried it. So, and I know I love it. Did you hear that? Did you just hear that too? Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard it. Did you hear that? Ooh! So it's firm. It's not soft. No, we don't have to eat the whole thing. So David, do you want to tell me why you don't like fruits? I don't get it, but I would like to hear it from your point of view why you don't like fruits. Okay, so why don't you like fruits?
I just don't like them.
Why? Do you like vegetables, perhaps?
Sometimes.
So this slice will be for David. Okay, let me come up closer and show you.
Looks like an apple.
Looks like an apple. I beg to differ. I give you the chance to go first.
No, you go first.
What does it smell like?
Lemon or orange. It smells like orange.
David.
Mango. It smells like mango.
It smells like, yeah. After two. 1, 2. After two. 1, 2.
Nope.
Let's try it together. 1, 2.
I didn't take a big piece, so I don't take.
You need to try. Take another piece.
She eats like a rabbit. Where's your food?
It's gone. What do you think of it?
Not my thing.
Look for me, tell me.
It's not my thing.
What do you mean by it's not your thing? Well, you see David's reaction. He doesn't really like it.
So my thoughts on the texture. It's orange.
The color is orange,
No.
but you didn't really say much about the texture of the fruit.
No.
Is it crunchy? Did it melt in your mouth? Or I'm sure they can hear that it's crunchy.
That's not crunchy.
Dragon fruit is back. And David is gonna try it.
No. I didn't.
And give your opinion.
This was not in the contract, guys. I didn't sign up for this. I only signed up for this one, not for that one.
Okay, so David?
No. Not here.
I'll feed it to
Give
him.
me a shorter piece.
Smaller
Give me a shorter,
piece.
smaller one.
Wow, look at that.
Smaller or shorter, I don't know, but give
Come,
me
David, let's eat it. Let me feed it to you.
small.
No, you can just bite it. You don't have to bite it, babe. Not lick it.
Now I know why I don't like fruits. The seeds. Those seeds. Oh my god.
And also the persimmon is very sweet. That was also surprising to me because of what I thought it was. it wasn't really that. So you hold it
Why?
just for the thumbnail.
Okay.
Maybe to your face. Mommy fruit, but don't look on the. Look here.
Hello, nice word.
Don't say anything. Just keep quiet. Yep. That should be it. Thank you. The fruits are so delicious. I don't know why you don't want to eat.
No, thank you. Guys, I can eat a banana.
Everybody know banana.
Well, better.
So, there's a discussion. David doesn't like fruits. He doesn't know why he doesn't like fruits.
Guys, I just noticed this thing is...
But he likes sweets. But he doesn't like fruits.
It's fake.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our
Mukbang.
Persimmon mukbang. And also I wanted David to try the dragon fruit, but he wasn't having it. He took a small bite, to be honest.
Now spit it out again.
So I'm finishing it. But yeah.
Don't
Thank you
forget
for watching. Don't forget to subscribe
like,
and turn on your notification bell. Is it that way?
No.
Is it in
Don't
that
forget
format?
to subscribe, like, follow.
Follow what?
Oh, don't follow. Oh, that's on TikTok. Sorry, guys. Subscribe, like, and
Turn on your notification bell.
And view.
Okay, ciao guys.